Hello everybody, Drop here. Well, when you're packing your bug out bag, you've got to consider what you can use to not only carry food, but what you can use to catch food with. Now if you live around an area with lakes and streams and stuff like that, you might want to get yourself something like this. Okay, so this fishing pole kit comes with the lures, the line, a nice little case to carry it in, telescopic pole, and the fishing rod for about $38.98. It's lightweight. Put it in your bag. It's about 7 feet long, and it makes a good item for you to use. I mean, if you needed something like this, it just expands out, so you can fold it up and put it away. Comes with a nice reel. It comes with a little case of fishing lures and hooks and some fishing line. And this is the whole item itself. So if you didn't notice, this is over on my website. It won't cost you any more to buy it through me. And I'll put the link down below. But I also wanted to talk about one more thing. Now, you can't see this part of it, but the companion planning chart that I am setting up will have not just the standard stuff, but we'll have the other stuff. So, at the moment, I'm busy putting together this nice little chart, which you can just click on, and it'll tell you what you can plant with companions like this. So you see how that works? And I should have this done sometime by the end of start of next week. And I'm going to be adding stuff that not only is common to grow, but also stuff that is uncommon to grow, that other people don't always grow, but you might grow, so that it'll be more useful for the community. So it'll have vegetables and herbs and permaculture sections in it. So it is quite large, and I'm still working on it, but I hope to have that done with the website soon. I may add a blog or an advice column or something like that, but generally, you can go to the front page, and I have a playlist of some of my favorite videos, and I list some products. Now, these are some recent products, and if you really, I'll leave the link for this stuff too down below. But this is a portable Mr. Heater buddy, and then there's also the big buddy. Now this is a propane safe indoors. It'll shut off if the oxygen level is too low. And it comes with the case here and a few other items. And then this is a hose you can hook to, instead of using the little 1 gallon Coleman bottles, you can hook this to one of your barbecue propane tank. And it has the regulator on there for it. And this is a filter specifically for propane. Well, let's take a look at the buddy here thing. Okay, so basically this gives you the bag and the other stuff. But in case you didn't know it, I have an online store on my website. It's dropsfamilygarden.com, and I list a lot of the items that I buy and use, and so there's a lot of useful items in here. Anywhere from LED lights to outside solar lights to even just basic plastic planters, pots for planting, and the azomite that I use for fertilizers, some of the solar batteries I use, and baking soda is very important too. Don't discount that. This is for working with solar systems, for crimping the wires and cutting the wires, and some meters, and just like these Bell and Howell tack glasses, because those are going to be really useful if you're on the go in your bug out situation. That sun can get pretty bright, and you're up north where I'm at, it can burn your eyes out with the UV. You can go blind real young up here unless you protect your eyes. And this is a crimping connector set for solar, for the connectors. Something for making alcohol. I mean, this right here is, Brewer's Elite hydrometer and test jar combo. hard case brush and cloth. You can use this to check the alcohol content of your homemade brew. And if you say, well, I don't drink and I don't care about this, well, guess what? Something does hit the fan and they're no longer delivering beer to the store or wine. Those people that have a dependency on alcohol will be at your front door giving you anything you want so they can get drunk. Got to think about it that way. How about a grinder for the grains, the big sacks of grain you got? You got that cracked corn and oops, there's no deliveries. You can grind up your own cracked corn and make your own cornmeal or wheat or whatever you wish. And Captain Jack's Dead Bug Brew is here too. Avocado oil. Just all kinds of items. There's 146 items in here so far. And these are all items that I have bought. So I invite you to go to my shop link up on the top of my website at dropsfamilygarden.com. It's in the description down below. And check out the website. And there's also a little bio about me over here on this page, on the About. It tells you exactly what kind of experience I have in life and what I do. So it tells you I've been an entrepreneur for years. Worked in engineering before that and other stuff, and how I developed my business. But one thing I want you to know is that I do a lot of research and I use everything listed on the site. I walk the walk and I talk the walk. So when I recommend a product in my shop, be sure to take the time to find you the best products for quality and value. Okay? The main goal of my various videos on this channel is to inform, educate, and prepare others for stuff hits the fan, also known as SHTF situation. So I hope you give the fishing pole a look, and that way you'll have something in your bug out bag that will be able to feed you and it'll become more valuable than a can of beans. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up, like and share, and I hope to see you again on this channel.